Does Monzo count as a bank? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Monzo. Monzo is a relatively new bank that has been making a lot of waves in the financial world. They offer a number of innovative products and services, and they're definitely a company to watch. But does Monzo count as a bank? That's the question we're going to answer in this video. Body. Before we get into the specifics of Monzo, let's take a step back and talk about what a bank actually is. In the UK, a bank is defined as a financial institution that is licensed by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. Banks are able to offer a wide range of services, including accepting deposits, making loans, issuing credit cards, providing overdrafts, offering investment products. So, does Monzo meet all of these criteria? The answer is yes. Monzo is a fully licensed bank, and they offer all of the services that I mentioned above. So, in that sense, Monzo definitely counts as a bank. However, there are some key differences between Monzo and traditional banks. For one thing, Monzo is a digital bank. This means that you don't have to go into a branch to open an account or do your banking. Instead, you can do everything online or through the Monzo app. Another key difference between Monzo and traditional banks is that Monzo doesn't charge any monthly fees. This is a big advantage for many people, as it can save you a lot of money in the long run. So, what are the pros and cons of using Monzo? Pros: no monthly fees, digital banking, easy to use app, good customer service, competitive interest rates. Cons: limited number of branches, no physical cash withdrawals, can be difficult to get a mortgage. Conclusion. So, does Monzo count as a bank? Yes, it does. Monzo is a fully licensed bank that offers all of the services that you would expect from a traditional bank. However, there are some key differences between Monzo and traditional banks, such as the fact that Monzo is a digital bank and that it doesn't charge any monthly fees. Whether or not Monzo is the right bank for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable banking option, then Monzo could be a good choice for you. However, if you prefer to do your banking in person or if you need to get a mortgage, then Monzo might not be the best option for you. Outro. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions about Monzo, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about Monzo, you can check out their website or download their app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.